Today I want to tell you about the trigger kit for your Marlin lever action. This is a straight drop-in kit called the Ranger Point Precision. We picked up ours from the Red Deer Shooting Center. I've already switched it out. It's a very small piece. It's a 2-piece that came with the gun. The replacement is a 1-piece. It's got a little spring in it that holds it all together. As I said, I've already switched out the kit. If you want to watch a very good video on how to do that process, check out the link in the description below, and I'll also put the link on the screen. The price of this kit is $149, $20 shipping, so you're into it for about $180 tax in. 2 reasons why you'd want to spend this kind of money on a trigger. One, it's a much more comfortable trigger on the finger. It's easy to shoot, and the biggest reason you don't want to switch it out, it gets rid of that heavy pull from the factory. This trigger brings it down to about 3 pounds, 3.5 pounds. It's super smooth. It's a very smooth trigger. The more you shoot it, the more you're going to like it. And the one thing about a nice smooth trigger, light triggers, they often produce better accuracies as well. So if you're interested, check out the link below. Check out it on screen. Contact your nearest dealer. Alright, 2 nice things my son put on this thing. One was a new trigger. Super smooth, you got to try it. And the second thing is this red dot. If you haven't shot a red dot, you owe it to yourself to buy one. You'll love it.